Hell yeah.
What's going on? Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. Before we actually get into the review of this clipper, if you're not subscribed, I don't get it. Tell me what I need to do to make us work. What am I doing wrong? Help me help you, help me help you again. All right? Send me a DM on Instagram at Cuts by Reggie. Something like that, I don't know. If you dislike the videos, dislike the videos. If you like the videos, thumbs up the videos. Like, share, subscribe, comment, engage, all that stuff. So, we have a review. This is a clipper that was sent to me by the company. OVLUX. I still don't know if I'm saying that right. This clipper. That clipper, right? Nice design. Okay, before I get into that, let's start, right? So the clipper is $56 on Amazon. I will leave the link down below. Because again, these videos are my opinions and my usage of the clippers and trimmers and products that I use. All right. So with that being said, I will leave the link down below. I was lucky enough to have the company send me one, so I did not have to go out and purchase. But I will still leave the link down below. So I didn't have to wait long for the clipper. So you got the clipper. It's on Amazon. I don't know if they have a website, or if they do, they're not using the website for sales. They only, or as of today, me recording this video, you can only get these on Amazon and maybe through a random website out there. All right. So these are the OVLUX clippers. That's all they got. They don't really have a name. OVLUX professional hair clippers. All right. So you get the package. Package is nice. Little shoebox design. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too special. You open it up. If I can open it up. I don't know why this happened. So you open it up, you get your accessories and stuff. Accessory wise, you get your guards, you get a half guard up to a 4. All right. You get a half guard up to a 4. You get your clipper oil, you get your clipper cleaning brush, and you also get, they got little velvet carrying bags. If you did not see my unboxing, I'll leave the unboxing link here and down in the description, because if it don't pop up here, you can go down to the description, because I might forget to pop it up here, right there. So you can go to Amazon. That's what you get, whatever, right? So now, when you get their guards, matter of fact, they're right here. When you get their guards, this is the OVLUX guard. Very similar to the wall premium guards. So right there, they're not bad. These will stay in my drawer because I might need backup. You never know, right? So the guards are fine. You get the machine. Nice build. Very, very solid. All chrome body. Comes with a fade blade. Very quiet. Now, very quiet. You get you 300 minutes of runtime. And so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out there, because as y'all can tell in my tone, I did not use this clipper one full time. But based off of that, based off of the use that I've used, it does last. Like it's not a quick dying battery. Like when it pop on, I'm down to 63%. So I used almost half, right? Getting to half of the battery life, but it lasts. All right. So you get the clipper, nice build, similar to your wall products, nice LED display, which I do love. All right. Love the display. The problem with this clipper is it's a budget clipper. Now, I've used a few different budget cheap clippers and they haven't been too bad. I've actually used, if y'all seen my Walmart clipper challenge, actually those clippers from Walmart wasn't too bad. I got the Fade King, which is a $39 clipper, which is a good clipper. It's a decent clipper. All right. This here is not a decent clipper. This here looks real nice. Got a lot of battery life. But when it comes to this motor, big negative. It feels like you're gonna get a good cut. It feels like it's got that, because I think it's 7,000 RPM, all right? Which is not bad, 7,000 RPM. You got a few other clippers that's 7,500. Matter of fact, I think my JRLs are 7,500, if I'm not mistaken, on the high speed of it. So that's not a bad, that's a pretty decent, that's a good RPM. That's good speed. That's good for a clipper, all right? So when you feel it, when you turn it on, it's quiet. It feels heavy duty. It feels like it's gonna get the job done, but it does not get the job done. All right, so my first use of this clipper is not a smooth cut. This clipper bogs down, not only on thick hair, it just bogs down. It's when you're cutting through hair, it's kind of like you say you're cutting somebody and you're going with the grain. It's like when you cutting, it's like it's gonna get stuck somewhere. You're gonna have to bring it back, clean it off just to make sure you ain't got nothing clogged up. Go for it again. On a busy day, you don't want to have to worry about that. You don't want to have to worry about, is this clipper going to, which is another reason why. So when I first became a barber, I was like, why would I have multiple clippers on my station, right? I would just need one clipper, one trimmer, one shaver. That was all, in my mind, that's all I needed. But actually, like right now, I got magic clips for my back-to-back use. I got 2 pairs of magic clips and I have my JRL, all right? My maroon, the original magic clips, cordless magic clips, sometimes they seem like they losing their power, but I've had them for a while. Them JRLs might come in, be able to knock down the bulk a little quicker for me. But then I'll drop down to my other magic clip, help me get out of ball line. So I have clippers that's good for different reasons, right? This clipper is good for nothing, okay? It looks nice. It has a nice display on there. The blade, I mean, it seems like a regular blade. I mean, when you compare it to a wall blade, except for it saying wall, I mean, it's the same blade to an extent. But when that blade starts to cutting, it's not cutting. I don't know. This is not a good clipper. If you're looking for a budget clipper, the OVLUX on Amazon may not be your main pick. Now, this is, again, of course, my opinion, my review, right? It don't overheat. It got good battery life. It just don't cut. Like, I don't even have a lot of footage of me cutting. I'll see what I recorded and maybe try to get some more before I actually post it. But this is not a good clipper. I won't use this again. All right. There's only been 2 items on my YouTube journey that I've said a definite negative to. And that was the SPX Series 2 blade from Eversense. And now this. This is, so let me just put it in perspective. The Fade King is a great budget clipper. You get your battery life, you get your power, it got a good blade, and I'll leave that link down in the description as well. And that's $20 cheaper than this. Or if we go in budget clipper, you might as well get a cordless magic clip. If you go to atlantabarber.com right now, you can get either the maroon or the black and gold magic clip cordless for $85. So add you about 30 and get still less than $100. You can get a cordless magic clip that's obviously better than this. So you can get you you can add you $30, wait another week, do about 2 more heads, wait, or do 1 head, however much you charge, and then just order you some magic clips. Or if you just want to grab a budget clipper, a cheaper clipper that can still get the job done, I'll leave the link down below for the Fade King, also on Amazon. All right, I'll leave the link down below for that, and that's a $39 clipper. All right, so let me make sure I went over everything, because I just honestly wanted to get on here and say, this clipper, no. But that's not how we do reviews, right? So, the price, great price. All right, great build. Feels good, very quiet. LED display, nice. Nice packaging. You get accessories. The guards are good. They're pretty much wall premium guards. This clipper don't get the job done. It don't fade. I mean, it don't fade good. It don't cut through bulk. It's a nice look. It looks good. And honestly, it hurts me to have to say that, because these were sent to me by this company. The company reached out to me and said, we want you to do a review on this clipper. And in my mind, okay, how bad can the clipper be? I might get on here and say it's this, this, and this, but this is a negative. That's my thoughts on this clipper. Now, I will leave the link down below. Obviously, everybody will have their own opinion. Everybody will have their own decision on clippers, and that's perfectly fine. It's on you. But if you asking me, either buy the Fade King for $20 cheaper, or add $30 to this and get you a magic clip. That's my quick review on the OVLUX. Cuts by Reggie, baby. I'll be back. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, there's a thumbs down button right next to the thumbs up button. Click either one you like. Comment, stay engaged, share this. And yeah, we'll be back with another one. Cuts by Reggie. And we out.